When visiting dams or large water reservoirs in mountainous areas, be aware of the signs that advise if swimming is permitted. Always observe the rules and follow the instructions for each situation. Ensure that swimming is allowed, and remember that fresh water is less dense than salt water, so it's recommended that life jackets or floats are used. Do not dive into the water, but enter gradually and responsibly. The depths are not visible from the surface and there could be branches, rocks or sharp objects. Adequate footwear is essential when going into the water. Take a fully charged mobile phone and keep it switched on when in isolated areas so that you can be located. Call 112 in the case of an emergency. Try to go accompanied and leave details of your planned excursion with someone. Don't drink or eat too much and take precautions for heat waves. Keep the countryside clean and help to preserve it for the future enjoyment of others. A clean area is a safe area. This is advice from the Cabildo de Gran Canaria and the City Sea Council of the Town Hall and the Canary government. Security at all costs for Canarian waters.
112, emergencias, dígame.